Hey everyone, I'm Amy Roach, Director of Strategic Content here at Inbound Logistics, and today I just wanted to share a few key data points from our recently released 3PL Perspectives Market Research Report. This year when we asked 3PLs what the top challenges were that they faced, number one, no surprise at 73%, was rising operational costs. That was followed by technology investment, and finding, training, and retaining qualified labor was the third challenge. On the shipper side, 41% cited cutting transport costs as their top challenge. Next was business process improvement, and third was improving customer service. When we asked shippers if price or service was more important in evaluating a 3PL, 74% went with service, just 26% said price. And when we asked for the top reason for a failed 3PL partnership, 36% of shippers rated poor customer service as the number one reason. Next was failed expectations at 29%. You can find lots more information in our report at inboundlogistics.com.